Welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Audison and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, what I'm going to be showing you guys is an installation that we're carrying out on a 1989 Porsche 911. Not only are we upgrading the head unit, we're also upgrading the speakers in the vehicle, so front as well as the rear speakers are being upgraded. So if you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Other than that guys, let's get started. So with the head unit that we've replaced and upgraded in this vehicle, we've added loads more functionality. So what we've added is a Pioneer single-din unit which has gone into the factory location. In terms of this unit, in terms of functionality that's adding to the driving experience of this absolutely stunning car is features like digital radio, retention of your FM, as well as the fact what we've also added in is Bluetooth streaming, as well as Bluetooth hands-free, as well as USB. So we've got loads more functionality added into the vehicle. And now it's down to the sound of the vehicle. So changing over the head unit won't actually upgrade the actual sound in the vehicle massively. It's down to getting those speakers or getting amplifiers added in, which can all be done in a stock look, which is exactly what we've done today. So what I'm going to be talking you through is the speakers in a little bit, but in terms of the head unit, we've done something slightly different and bespoke, and every vehicle that we work on is completely bespoke. Because we sit down with the customer, we actually go through everything step by step, making sure everything is done to the highest possible standard exactly how you want it. During the audio consultation, we'll sit down and go through all of the fine print with you as well. In terms of the system, what we've done is everything's very neat behind the scenes. So the radio is actually being installed, all the leads behind there are all cloth tapes, so it's all neat and tidy, as well as the fact then the microphone. So one of the key things with installations is you find the microphone placed in slightly obscure positions sometimes. However, on this system, what we wanted was something incredibly discreet. What we've done is mounted the microphone relatively close to the actual unit itself, which is okay in this vehicle because the cabin's quite small, plus obviously you've got a lot of road noise from the actual amazing engine that this hosts as well. So that microphone has actually been modified slightly to be placed where it is. It looks incredibly neat and tidy, plus it's very discreet. That's basically the head units are adding with functionality, and what we've also added in is DAB antenna position on the left rear glass as well. So that's all the functionality side of things. Now moving on to the sound. The sound has basically been upgraded with a stock look, and that's what the key thing that this customer wanted was basically a completely stock look for the speaker upgrade. So what we've added into the rear, which is in the shelf at the back, is a Hertz 6x4 speaker, which is basically a direct replacement for these Porsches. We use these a hell of a lot on these Porsches. Really nice bit of rear fill, and it reflects off the glass quite nicely and it travels forward, so it creates a lot of rear fill. Very nice little upgrade there. Into the front doors, basically what we've done on this particular solution is taken off the door cards, replaced the two speakers in the door with a Audison Prima set. So this is a 5-inch set, basically to retain your factory 5-inch grille. We can upgrade that to a 6.5-inch woofer if you wanted to. However, what it means is we do have to go down the route of an aftermarket grille, or we can also print out a new factory style look grille. But to retain everything as complete stock in terms of the speaker grills, we went for a 5-inch. It sounds really nice. It's a massive improvement to what the stock system was. And also, if you're owning one of these cars, you might find that a couple of your speakers have, by this age, have started to degrade or be damaged. So it's a really nice, simple solution that upgrades the overall sound in the vehicle, just makes everything a lot clearer, makes your driving experience that little bit better and more enjoyable. So hopefully you've seen a little bit behind the scenes, but also the upgrade that we carry out. But we carry out loads of different solutions for these sorts of cars. Feel free to get in touch, book an audio consultation, sit down, and we'll go through everything with you. Hopefully you've all enjoyed this video. You've seen not only behind the scenes shots of an install that's been carried out on this 911, but also you've seen finished product. If you're interested in getting something like this installed, make sure you book an audio consultation. We'll drop all the links below. But to help us grow our channel, and if you've enjoyed this video, please press the subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. Other than that guys, we look forward to meeting with you soon and look forward to upgrading your car.